has it, the helicopter, as you know, is the tail rotor. So we always approach this part from the helicopter from the front. The loose clothing items or doors not being secured where it wouldn't fly out, that all the doors and latches are closed. Inside the helicopter, we have all your emergency equipment up here in the front. It's on, it's immediately located, but it should have automatically gone off because it goes off of impact.
On this throttle, this is the Achilles heel of a squirrel. There was a bad accident in the States a few years back where someone got their camera caught around there and turned the helicopter off. Oh. That's off, that's on. So it doesn't take much to flick it.
No. Yes, yeah, there's quite a lot of helicopters put a guard over here to protect this.
So just be aware of that.
Yeah.
Yep.
So yeah, if you ripped all the three of these leads back, you're definitely going to shut the machine down. Yep, we're good.
Alright, I'll keep an eye on you and throughout the day.
Or a flat white?
Ooh, a latte, please.
Yummy, yummy. We're working really hard, but hardly working.
I almost brought my hat and I was like, nah, she'll be fine.
Yeah, and I get false advertising in mum and dad's house because their house is freaking hot.
Yeah, that was true. Oh, that's the stuff. At Precision, passengers get the premium experience. Barista made coffee. Yeah. From a qualified barista.
I'm actually a barista. Yeah.
You could, well, when you do Matt's Kitchen in the sky.
Yeah. Having our cup of tea.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Go Lily, go Lily, go Lily, go Lily.
Yeah. We're super happy because we've finally seen the sun. This bloody mountain has been hiding it from us all morning and it has been so cold. But finally we can warm up and hopefully the windows will stop fogging up. Here we have Mari Lecky. He runs Forest Rangers. It's his business. And how long have you been operating Forest Rangers for?
About 23 years, I think, now.
Oh, nice. And what was the sole business that you were into with Forest Rangers?
With possum monitoring and possum surveys and rodent and stoat surveys.
Have you always used helicopters?
Yeah, we have, yeah. Mm.
Great way to get out into those remote places, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. Yeah, definitely.
And what are we doing today?
It's just a possum monitor, just the controlled contractors work through here, trapping and poisoning possums for the tuberculosis control work, and we just go through after them and monitor to make sure they've done a good enough job.
And so these possum monitoring traps, what do they look like?
It's just a little block of what we call wax tags.
Oh, here we go.
So
here's a wax tag.
So that goes under the tree. Below that And it left out for 7 nights, and a possum come along and bites it.
Oh, so we can see this one here has been chewed on. So,
Probably by a rat or something.
oh yeah, so these get sent away and they can
Yeah.
study them to see what
Yeah.
type of animals they
that,
are.
That one has been chewed on.
Yeah.
That's almost a possum,
Oh, could be.
I'd say.
Something. And has it got a bit of scent to it, does it?
See that?
Does this taste nice, or is...
No, it's just straight out wax.
Ah, so they just...
Because they're not allowed, under the protocols we have to work to, you're not allowed to attract them too much.
Okay.
So that's the only thing you can attract them with.
Ah, I see.
That fluorescent glows at night.
Ah. And being nocturnal, they'll be like,
Yeah.
what is that? Here's the bushman who's done the hard yards. Wandering through the bush. This is David, Murray's son.